Hello there guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are going to Herne Bay Car Show, take a look at some nice old cars, a bit like Whitstable one, and yeah, see what's going on. So we'll catch you when we're there. Right, so we've just got back to the car. There wasn't really an awful lot going on down there, and it was really busy, as you could tell by the few clips I did. I'm sorry I didn't talk much in the clips either. Like I said, it was really busy, so you probably wouldn't have been able to hear me. And it was quite windy as well, so obviously I had wind noise to compete with. I'll probably put music over the bits that I did film, but I'm not too sure. So yeah, we're now just going to go around the coast a little bit and find a pub. Right, and now we are back home. I'm sorry I didn't film much more. There wasn't really anything else to film. Basically just went to a pub around the coast a little further, had a couple of drinks, and then took a leisurely drive back home, shall we say. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry I haven't really been all that active in the video, like, you know, all expressive and all that. I'm still trying to get over what kind of happened, but I'm coming back slowly. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.